dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at your home. Welcome to my online English class. Today my topic is use of these and those. Today I will tell you about the use of these and those. These is used for the things which are near and which we can touch, and which are many. Now tell me, what are these? These are chalks. And chalks are many. And near to me. I can touch the chalk. I can hold the chalk in my hand. These are chalks. When these chalks are far away from me, I can't touch the chalks. I indicate the thing. Those are chalks. I will use those. Those are chalks. Now, these are chalk box. And how many? More than one. And are many. I can touch it, I can hold it, so I will use these are chalk box. These are near to me, I can touch it, so I will use these. These are chalk box. Now these are sticks. And near to me. I can touch it. So I will use these. These are sticks. I can touch it. I can hold it, and it is near to me. When these sticks are far away from me, I can't use it. I indicate the things. Those are sticks. Now, what are these in my hand? Pencils. How many pencils? More than one. Are called many. And these pencils are near to me. I can touch it. I can hold it. But when these pencils are far away from me, I indicate it. Those are pencils. I will use those. Because now the pencils are far away from me. I can't touch the pencil. So I will speak those are pencils. When the things are many and near to us, we use these. And when the things are many but far away from us, so we use those. These are my fingers. And these are my fingers. I will use these are my fingers. But stars are away from us. I can't touch the stars. Stars are so many. So I will use those are stars. And the birds fly in the sky. When the birds fly in the sky, I can't touch the bird. So we will speak those are birds. When the thing is many and near to us, we use these. And when the things are far away from us, we can't touch the thing, so we use those. When the things are many, we use these. When near and far, we use those. Now we will do these and those on the notebook. Now this picture of this is, these are balls. And now these balls are near to line. So we use these. In your notebook, both pictures are near to you. You can touch the picture in your notebook. But if the picture is near to line, so we use these. When the pictures are far from the line, so we use those. When the pictures are many. Now there are balls more than one, so we use these. When the things are more than one, we use these. And near to us, these are balls. Tear sound the. E S far away from the line. So birds are many. We use those. Those are birds. The spelling of those, TH sound, the, O-S-E, those. Those are birds. Now, what are these? These are pins. More than one are called many. Now, pins are near to line. So, we use these. These are pins. TS sound, the, E-S-E, T-H-E-S-E, these. These are pins. Now, what are those? Trees. More than one tree, na? So, we use those. Those are trees. T-H-O-S-E. Those are trees. Now, what are these? Cups. How many cups? More than one are called many. So, cups are near to line. So, we use these. T-H-E-S-E, these. These are cups. Now, we will read it. These are bowls. Those are birds. These are pins. Those are trees. These are cups. When the things are many and near to us, we use these. And when the things are many and far from us, we use those. These are many, these are near, those are many, those are far. I hope you learn use of these and those. Thank you. Have a nice day.